on the RS today, and we're going to fit the front cowl. Right, I don't have any instructions for this, so we're just going to follow this bit by bit. I do know these pop out. The easiest place to get into. Wow. So, after having a look, these rubber bushes, bums, grommets, whatever you want to call them, from the original clocks bracket. Right, this is taking a bit longer than I expected. I'm flying along solo here with no instructions, so I was just trying to find out what this bracket here was for. So I've just put the spring clips on there as well, and got the windshield. Now this clips into place, it doesn't just bolt on, you've got these little clips. Just seat under there, where is it? There and there. Let's put the clocks back in. Clip. See that keep coming off until the actual screen's in place. So, the clocks are back on. Let's tighten them up. Right, I'm going to interrupt that because I've made a mistake and I've just seen it while I'm editing. The two bolts at the top of the clocks and the bottom of the clocks have a black surround, like a ceramic washer, large washer. They should be at the top. If you look in the video, I've gone and put them in the bottom. My bad, I swapped them around now, but also there's the sort of like nose-shaped bracket that in the video I've got the wrong way around. So yeah, my bad, my mistake. I found instructions later on online, but that's the way it goes. It was a long day. Back to the video. I know I should have left this last. So I've just replaced those bolts that's holding the main cowl on. Changed those over. Replaced these ones because they come with new ones in the kit. The old ones come with a Loctite on them. So I've just disconnected it all, put them back on, and the new ones. The bottom ones are exactly the same as the original ones, and the same with these when this cowl goes back in. When you put that on, make sure you put the harness, the hooped harness back behind there, holds it in place, and the connector. There's a little connector there. Don't know what it's for, it must be a little sensor or something behind there. Also, the windscreen came with these new infills. Obviously I'm going to want to put the original ones back on. So they do fit. I was thinking maybe it's something different. Bit of a waste really. Typically I found the instructions. There's a piece of paper inside the parts with a barcode, not a barcode, a QR code to scan for the Triumph accessories page. You put the part number in and then it comes up with the fitting instructions, which I didn't know. Right, so the infills are back in, the support brackets there, everything's buttoned up and done up. Now this piece here, I'm not sure if you can see that there, fits into that slot. Then you have these ones with a cupped washer and they should align the captive nuts we fitted on earlier. So there we have it. That's the front cowl done on the RS. Now to get on with the rest of the other bits. Thanks for watching. Take care, ride safe.